Alright, so here we go. Somebody has won what's in the junk pile. And I don't know who it is because I'm recording this video before the winner has been found. But I want to go through and I want to count this and I want to show you how much was in the junk pile. As you can see, if you look at the beginning of this video and compare it to the end of the last video, I did not move one single thing out of here. If you compare the coins, they're in the exact same location they were because I haven't touched anything until now. So now we're going to go through and we're going to count what's in the junk pile. Let me lift this up a little bit, give myself a little bit of room. It's kind of hard when you have everything mixed together to pull it out, but we're going to do that. You can fast forward if you want to, but maybe you'll hang in there with me since you played the game. You might be interested in how much was in there. So here we have 5, 9, here's 10 walkers. We'll set those aside. Oop, what happened here? Pull it back down. Gotta get some of that light off of there. So it's 10 walkers. And I'm going to start, push this up a little bit. I'm going to start making piles for each of these because it's too hard to just find them and pull them at the same time. So let's get all the halves out of here while we can. Franklin, Walker. Ooh, we get to hear that beautiful sound of silver as we go along. Alright, so here we go. Some more Franklins. Walkers, Frankies, Walkers. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting this big pile of, at least get the halves out of here. Alright. Another Franklin, another Walker. Almost there, folks. We're getting there. This. Oh, my stack's getting pretty big here. I have to separate them out. Alright, let's get some of these Franklins off the stack before they tip over. Here's this. Alright, so there's 2, 5, 9, and 10. So put those over here for now. Here we have 3, 5, 7, 9, and 10. Let's keep these on the screen here. Pull these over. Alright. Here we have 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. Let's put those over here. We have 4, 6, 8, 9. Some more Franklins here. And 10. Here's another Walking Liberty. Alright. And then let's see. I see another Franklin right there. Trying to keep all the stuff on the screen for you. There's another Franklin there. Another one there. Oh, I got this stuff all mixed up, don't I? Alright, so 4, 5, 7, 10. Alright, so this is $10, $20, $30. Alright, so let's pull the quarters. There's 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know how many of you pile up your constitutional silver and then try to grab them out by each denomination, but it's not really the easiest thing to do. I'm gonna keep them on the screen, but my philosophy in life is I try not to handle things more than once. So as long as I'm touching these things to get them out of my way, I might as well just start to stack them a little bit too. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I dropped that one. We're still at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there we have 30 quarters. And, boy, I got a little bright again, didn't I? Okay, pull it back down. Let's do some dimes here for a minute, get some of these out of the way. I'm going to separate the Mercuries from the Roosevelts. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put those over here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Brighten it back up a little bit. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know this is slow and painful, but we need to see what's in the junk pile. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost a roll of Mercs here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's one roll of Mercs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sorry, I dropped one. That's a Rosie. The Rosies aside for now. There's 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 5 quarters, 6 quarters, 7 quarters, 8 quarters, 9 quarters, 10 quarters. There's a roll of quarters. And another one. Okay, going back for the Mercs, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like I'm going to have to count again because I just dropped them all. 4, 6, 8, 9. Gotta watch these dimes. There's 9 in there. There's 10. Okay. All right. So 3, 6. Got a barber there. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. 2 barbers. Let's count the Rosies here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we'll put 11. Let me double count here. 4, 6, 8, 10, There's 11 in there. And here. So, push this up here. Alright, so I'm going to take a moment to recount these mercuries because I'm surprised I have one left over. Thought it was a full $10, so there's 4, 5, 7, 10, 6, 8, and 10. Alright. So let's go ahead and count these out. Let me just make 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. So here we go, folks. This is what was in the junk pile. Make sure they're on the screen here. Let's do this. I'm going to get out my trusty calculator just to make sure. So each 2 stacks is $10 because there's $5 each because there's 10 in each stack. So we have $10, $20, $30. So we're going to do 30. Then we have a roll of quarters. That's $10. So that's plus 10. It's $40. Then right here we have 9, 10. So 10 stacks of 10. That's another $10. That's 50. Then we have another $1 here. Then we have a quarter here. Then we have 4 dimes. So we have 40 cents there. So what do we have? I total all that up, and we have $51.65. So you want to go through it again? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 25 plus 40 is 65. So $51.65. So congratulations to the person who guessed $51.65. And you are going to be sent this awesome 1903 Barber quarter. Pretty cool, huh? Very nice. Well, I really appreciate you guys playing along. I hope you had fun. I know I have fun watching you guys trying to guess what it is. And going after it pretty hard, pretty strong. But that's it for now. I really appreciate you hanging out and having some fun. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.